Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, live, weatherblogs.com. Time for a weather outlook. We're going to get into this next upcoming week and then into the mid-range. And you're going to like what you see in the mid-range, and I'll explain it all to you. We're going to start next week. We have a beautiful weekend on tap here, unless you're in the lake effect areas. But by Monday, we still have some lake effect snow here. But we're also getting some lake effect coming down also many other lakes into areas such as Pittsburgh. We also have some snow possibly coming into West Virginia. After we also at 540 line, and so cold air is definitely pushed in here, and we're going to see the coldest air of the season so far. And let me get to the 9th. This is in the mid-range, a little bit later range. I call this the setup storm. This is Friday the 8th at 8 o'clock. Okay. You see we have a low pressure, rain, some heavy rain along the mountains, which is orographic lift. This moves to the north. Cold air moves in behind it. Normal, right? So we then see more snow as this moves north. That would include probably some Allentown, some mixed snow, parts of Connecticut, Greenwich, things like that, up through Syracuse. And this eventually will move north up to the areas of Massachusetts. And then we get to the 14th. And the 540 line sitting down that road, a little sort of south. We got a cold air damming situation. We got a low pressure forming off the coast. And you're going to see snow line up in this red area. Ice and snow almost looking really good for this area. And this all plays out with what we're going to show you when I show you the Canadian. This storm here doesn't show a lot of precipitation here, but you can see the 540 lines far south. And being so far out, it might not show the amount of precipitation you want. But this is a definite trend in the weather for a somewhat significant storm system happening around the time frame between the 10th and the 20th of July. This is a Euro air temperature I'm showing you here. In that time frame, it's going to be cold. It's going to be pushed south, so the cold air is there. Okay, and then we're going to look at the Euro upper air analysis, and you can see this cold pocket just comes across. And that's what's going to make this very much a potential for snow. And you just see the deeper blues showing the lower pressures, and the higher pressures showing the ridging in the west. So this would be good for storm formation. And that includes all the way up to about 16th to the 18th. Same way, we're getting still in the troughing formation. And that is going to be another good sign for a potential snow event by mid-January, as we've been talking about. Actually, we talked about it here first. Stay with liveweatherblogs.com and the Weather Pros for the latest weather information. Visit our site, liveweatherblogs.com. Or if you're a snowplow operator or work outdoors and you need a good weather service, we also have that. Free trial. The Weather Pros, altogether, theweatherpros.com. Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros. Have a great one.